Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a gig that you have created on your Fiverr account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fiverr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fiverr website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials and you will be logged in right away. Once you have been logged in, if you wish to delete a gig that you have created, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Profile. From the profile page, you will see your active gigs section. Go ahead and click on it and you will see all of your actively posted gigs within this page. You can also find drafts within the draft section. If you wish to delete any gig, simply click on the three dots at the bottom left corner of your gig and then click on Advanced. You will then find the Delete Gig option at the bottom left section, so go ahead and click on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to permanently delete this gig. Go ahead and click on the delete button once again and your gig will be deleted from your Fiverr account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your gigs on Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.